See this? That's a pipe.
It's dirty.
So we're in the process of straight piping the Mercedes.
Fixing an F up.
Right. We're getting there. We're in the process of fixing, we're in the process of straight piping the Mercedes. I was gonna make a video and I was like, oh, it's gonna take 5 minutes. Not really too concerned with it. We'll just throw the pipe on real quick, call it a day. Well,
spoiler alert, it didn't take 5 minutes.
Well, 5 minutes into it, we realized, hey, this is gonna take more than 5 minutes. But here's the problem. As we're pulling the pipe out, the pipe slips, the O2 sensor, which was still connected because it was too tight for us to get it off while it was in the car, decided that it wanted to poke a hole in the radiator. So that's what we're dealing with now. So we got a hole in the radiator down there. You can't really see it, but we got it back together and we started it up. Sounds fantastic. I'm gonna get a video clip for you in just a little bit, but first we have to replace the radiator. There's our radiator. So we ordered that from Rock Auto and they got it here in less than 24 hours. So thank you to them. If anybody from Rock Auto ever watches this video, thank you so much, because this car is driven every single day, and now my girlfriend is driving my Jeep to work now until I have her car fixed. So luckily we don't have to have that happen for too much longer. But anyways, we're gonna get this radiator in, then we're gonna get the car started up, I'm gonna get some sound clips, and then we're gonna take it for a test drive because theoretically it should have more power now. Not really a lot, but a little bit. And once we get the tune on it, that's gonna help out tremendously. So this car is actually gonna be pretty quick probably.
No, don't. Tremendous addition of power.
Stand by, be right back. All right guys, so it is a few days later after going through the after going through the troubles and everything of getting the incorrect, what is that called? That's a radiator.
Radiator, yes.
Getting the incorrect radiator put into place. Yes, the one that they sent me was incorrect. So I was super excited for their quick turnaround time, but they sent me the wrong radiator. But I didn't have time to be dicking with ordering another one and waiting for it to get here and all that stuff, so I just put it in anyway. We made it work. We had to block off a couple of things and make our own custom brackets, but we made it work. And it's still working as of now. This car's probably had several hundred miles on it since then. A couple hundred miles. It's only been a few days. When did we do this?
No, it's been a week.
Has it been a week?
Yeah.
It's been an entire week actually.
Yeah.
So yeah, this car's probably had several hundred miles on it with the downpipe in the ghetto rigged radiator. So that's what it looks like now. Yes, it's all dirty and stuff. Don't worry, that's going to be fixed. Still don't have the tune, so the check engine light came on, obviously. No cats. But today we're going to be doing this. Got a WiseTech blow-off valve. We're going to throw that on. And we also have an intake on the way, which it's not going to be here until Thursday. Today is Tuesday. So Tuesday plus 2 days, that's Thursday. So on Thursday, the intake's going to be here. We're going to be right back doing the same thing. So this video is going to be over 3 full days. So hopefully once we get this on, we can get at least a couple of sound clips, show you guys what the exhaust sounds like. It sounds fantastic and it pops like crazy. Let's see, what else is, oh good. I'm glad that hit the ground.
Oh man.
That butthole pucker though. Our garage is a freaking disaster too. Look at that huge cat. That thing's bigger than the cats off my Jeep.
Yeah, no, it's definitely bigger than the ones on the car.
God. Look, check this out. Those are the cats on the Jeep. Alright. I would pick this thing up and take it over there, but I'm too lazy to do that.
Yeah,
but anyway, everything is... Yeah. Good lord. Look at that thing. Holy cow.
For reference, I'm 6'4" and every bit of 270 pounds.
Yeah. He's a big motherfucker. Basically all we gotta do is pull the intake off, get to the block off plate on the turbo, install this blow-off valve, and then run the lines, and then we're good to go. So we should be able to start it up. And then once the intake comes in, we got to take this stock air box right back off, put the new one on, and then that's like a 5-minute job. So this should take about 10 minutes, and the new air box should be about a 5-minute job. So
6.5 hours later.
I'll give her a little bit. That sounds awesome. I love it. All right, dude. That's so much
That's
better.
good. That's the good stuff.
Well, all right, well, we're gonna go drive it and see what it sounds like now. Are you happy with it?
Merry
Where's the button? Very what?
Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Yeah, let's go. Here, drop it down to gear. All right, one more. All right, just give it a little bit of throttle and then let off. No, like, throttle. Definitely not as loud as I thought it was going to be. And once we get that intake on there, probably make a huge difference as far as the sound goes. This thing pops more than any car I've ever heard. I don't know, that BMW pops pretty good.
That's an extreme. Alright, so we are replacing this air box. I'm pretty sure it comes with a new boot. And we'll be reusing the stock inlet here. So I'm going to pull that off. She's going to go ahead and pull it out.
Giggity.
What a stupid place to mount an ECU. There we go.
Made in the US of A.
Alright, first start up.
Far start up.
Alright, give her some throttle.
Pretty good.
I can hear the turbo.
Alright guys, well that's gonna be it. We're gonna wrap this video up. Go into the house, eat some dinner. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. As always, oh my god.